Hey, what's going on, everybody? Have you always wanted to start your very own blog or website, but just didn't really know how or any of that good stuff? Um, that's what we're going to cover in this video. I'm going to give you a few different tips and tricks that you can use to grow your blog and website. All right. Hi, I'm Six Figure 25, documenting my life and journey on blogging and affiliate marketing and online business in general. Never mind the lighting in the back. Not great lighting here. I'm working on getting some better lighting. So, how can you start your blog? The first tip I have for you is to, get in the right mindset. You want to think that you can, and think, I can do this. I will do this. I must do this. Or, you want to start getting in the right mindset and put yourself in the mindset for success. Don't think that you can't do it, because if you can't do it, guess what? You probably can't do it. So just start thinking that you can. Alright, and that was just a quick tip. But the next one is going to be picking a niche. Why is picking a niche important? You don't want a general blog or website. This really kind of hurts you in the eyes of Google, unless you have a lot of money to spend on ads driving traffic to you. It kind of hurts you because Google doesn't really know what your site's actually about. Whereas if you have a website about woodworking or fishing or astrophotography, then Google knows that's what your website's about, that's what I'm writing about. But take it a step further, alright? Instead of just writing about fishing, maybe bass fishing, lake fishing, flathead fishing, fishing poles, fishing lures. There's a whole range of stuff. Ice fishing, night fishing, fly fishing. You really want to sub-niche down when picking a niche. And make sure it's something that you're actually interested about. Don't just say, hey, this looks like it's making money. If it's not interesting to you, you're not going to work hard at it. And if you have more time than money, you want it to be something you're interested in, actually passionate about. Alright? And so, make sure you're passionate about it, at least somewhat interested, and wouldn't mind learning about it. That's really going to help you out in the long run. My next step is getting hosting. You need to get hosting in a domain. You can go to Godaddy.com and get your domain that matches your niche. And make sure it matches your niche. Don't just, have it anything. If you're gonna evolve the blog into the broader niche, it's fine to just. Alright, sorry. So, if you're gonna go into the broader niche, it's fine to just have something like fishingworld.com, right? And make sure you get a .com domain. That's just more commonly used, and you'll thank yourself later. The next thing is you want to make sure you get hosting. I recommend Bluehost or SiteGround. Those are cheap. SiteGround's a little cheaper, but they're both really good. And I recommend them. I've used them both, and I can attest to them. Alright? Hosting is where your online information will be stored. your website will be hosted, and people will be able to find it online. So that's always good. My next tip for you is consistency. Whatever consistency you want to have, maybe you only have time to make one post a week. Maybe you make one post every other day. Whatever that is for you, make that post. Make sure you block out the time, thoroughly research articles, type in your keyword, and read every blog on page 1, and rewrite that in your own words. Reinvent the wheel. Don't reinvent the wheel. I'm sorry. Copy what's already been worked out, but don't copy their words. That's plagiarism. It's illegal. Don't do it. You want to write it in your own words. Make sure your post is longer in quality and filled with keywords. Alright? And next, you're going to want to keyword research. So keyword research, whether it's on Ahrefs or SEMrush or any of the other ones, there's lots of great free tools as well. But keyword research, and try to get competition score below, or difficulty score below 7 when you're just starting out. Okay? And you want your keywords to be 4 to 5 words long. Okay? This makes it a lot easier to rank on Google when you're just starting out. Alright? There's lots of benefits to keyword research. You really want to take the time and do this. There's free trials on some of these sites to where you can get all your keywords that you'll need for a while within, the week or so. I'm sorry about this lighting. Oh my gosh. Within that week or so. So take the time and do keyword research. And that's really all I have for this video. This video is kind of short. My next one will be longer. So yeah, just stay with it and be consistent. Do all the steps. And in the next blog, whatever, we're going to talk about how you can make money with your blog. So that'll be nice. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Be sure to check the links in the description, as those links will actually really help you out.